this is what I'm dealing with. Steve has put the wood to the very edge to the inside hole on this end. There's a gap and a little filler right there on that side, all the way around to there and all the way to nothing.
Right here.
A little bit on this side. This is the piece that needs to be in so that the grate would sit flush on there. The problem is I'm not sure which way to measure, so I'm going to measure a couple different ways. Hope, can you measure on the inside from there to there? I think it's 25 on the inside. On the, just be careful now. Do it on the edge of the gray for now. From gray, yeah, all the way over. It's 25 from the gray to the gray, not the hole, but that part of the hole. Right? 25 inches on the end?
Yeah, it looks about like it.
Okay, let me have that. We'll measure this end and make sure it's the same. And you don't video me, but video the floor. This one's not as easy because it's the same thing. It's not 25 inches over. Well, it's very close to 25 inches, but there's a gap, there's a piece over here of wood, and there's none over here. So, the inside looks like 20, from the gray and the wood over is 25 on both ends. The hole itself is 24 inches on this end. I'm sure it is on that end too.
Long ways.
Measure this. Okay, hold that on that end. This hole itself is 24, well, right at 24 inches on the inside. Okay. Okay, let's do gray to gray in the middle. Let's do on the ends on this outside. Got it? Okay. It is 38.5 inches from gray box to gray box on the edge, and that one is
about 38.
About 38.25, where he's got the wood. The inside hole, go back to this side. Inside, yep. It's, and I don't understand that. It's right at 38 inches. Let's try this side. Inside. Yeah. Actually, this one looks like 38.5 maybe, or 4th. Let's try this one again. I'm not measuring it right or something, because that don't look. Go against completely over.
Yep, that's about right.
38.5 too, right?
Yeah.
About between 38 and 38.5, maybe 38.25 on each side. On the inside, 24 on the inside on both ends. 20, what did I say? From end to end on the gray. Did I say 25?
It's in the video, I don't know.
It's on the video, but I'm going to do it again on this end, I'm pretty sure. Love it. actually, you're going to have to help me do it.
Turn me.
No, hang on. Yeah, here, you do this. You're on your knees. I can't get on my knees. On the top of the gray. 25 inches?
Yeah.
Yeah,
What?
so...
Yeah.
Yeah. So on the ends, on the boards, it's 25 inches. Okay. Bye.